What's happening, my beautiful YouTube family? So we are out on another mission, but this time, get this. This time, it's 5:30. No, sorry, it's 6 o'clock. So is it? It's 6 o'clock in the evening when we're going exploring. I'm going to put some fuel in, so give me a second. Mask, I don't need mask. I'm going to put some fuel in, and then we're going to meet the old Colin, the bearded explorer. So back in a sec. Sorry, we're back.
Continue straight to stay on Vale Road A451.
People don't have to stare at you when you don't put a mask on. And like, it's the new things, you know what I mean? That you don't wear masks or all that crap.
600 metres, turn left onto Windermere Way.
Thank you. Woo. So, yeah, I've been driving for a while now. And I'm nearly in Wales, so I didn't think it was this far, but Colins dropped me a new pin to go to, so we had to ditch the first one and go to another one, and it's basically in Wales, so I'm in Wales at 7 o'clock in the afternoon.
Take the next left. Continue for 2 miles.
So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. Yeah, we're in Wales, a beautiful country that is known as Wales. So that's where we are, that's where we're heading, that's what we're driving to. So, and we're literally there in like 2 minutes, so I'll see you shortly. So we're finally here, and as I said on the way up here, got my man Colin here, come to chill. Yeah, that's not good. Is that the house there? Yeah. No way. Oh, so this was the garden? Oh, Jesus Christ, it just crept up on me. I didn't even see it. It was just there. Jesus Christ.
That is mental. Look at that.
I mean, you wouldn't have seen this from the side of the road. Look at the stonework. This is one hell of a glamorous building, this was. I mean, I think all the front was added on later, because if you look at the brick star is quite old. Definitely not like this stone. It's like a fortress.
Oh no, the floor.
Is it gone?
The floor is completely rotten.
What's the roof saying? Is that what's...
There's not much left of that either, mate.
Oh, Jesus. Look at the... It's all elaborate. That's like... What would you call this? Well, it's a very eclectic mind. No way. Hey, say it again.
You see that, mate? That drops down at least 10 foot down there.
Is it?
Yeah.
What type of territory?
We might be better off walking around trying to find another way in. Cause,
Yeah, definitely. Oh wow, look at that.
I'm not going to risk falling through that floor.
No. Well, I'm in the cellar. Colin.
Yes, mate?
I'm in the cellar. Really? Yeah, look. It's cold down there, Jesus.
Oh yeah, look at that. Can you actually get in there? Oh, it's flooded, completely flooded.
Yeah.
Mm. This house is so lovely.
Yeah, it amazes me how it's left. That just always blows my mind.
Even the gate there, look at the stonework around that
Yeah.
gate. You can see the fire damage just here, look, it's
Yeah.
yeah, it's quite dangerous, this one. Right, we can have a little walk around and see if we can find another way.
Have a nose at your torch, bro.
Yeah. You see what I mean? The floor's just completely fucked, isn't it?
Oh, it is, yeah. It's all wet. No way, look at that. I mean, you can stand on the beams, but then you got to judge where they are. Look at all that bloody, I can't remember what it's called. This is a lot of money went into this house.
Mate,
A lot of money. Jesus Christ, all the pottery. It looks like he was a collector of pottery too. No way. Look at all the pottery here. It's all broken bits too. God. This blows your mind. This has got character, this house.
It really has. Yeah. There's a shit loads around about. Apparently there's untouched workshops. All sorts, honestly. Let me just film a quick pan video there and then
Yeah, cool, dude. Are we going to go this way?
I think so.
Alright, dude.
Unless we can go down the other side.
Yeah, you can. It's just a bit climby. Oh, this way's open. So this isn't my find, it's Colins' find, and what I find it is absolutely amazing. Like a little mimic of the house there. Oh, look at this door, Jesus. Look at that. How cool is that? You can get into this side, you can. You get in this way, not round the back though. I know, yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
How strange.
It's like a little mimic.
Yeah. Oh, this has got some super character to it.
It has. That door's locked, but the door's open there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I think it's locked. I didn't try too hard.
Yeah, it does feel like it's locked.
Mm.
Wow, there's doors open all around the back, so if we can maybe find a way in. Oh God, look at that. This house is so nice.
Do you think he didn't have any heirs to take it on?
Maybe, yeah, maybe. Oh my God. Workshop.
It's like a little coal shed, that does. Oh. It's just been left and forgotten, basically. This place is absolutely awesome. Wow.
Do you know what?
I'm not too clued up on my roadsters, but this, or
Yeah.
Sportster, but it's a TR something, I don't know, TR3B, TR3A, I don't know. But I know it's a 60s model.
Like you said earlier, it blows your mind, doesn't it?
It just,
You know, this place has been completely untouched for 35 years.
I mean, this place is jam-packed full of parts. There's parts everywhere.
Literally everywhere.
Yeah. There's vintage signage. Oh, Jesus. Places like this, they're far between. You just don't see them anymore at all. See, when I find cars like this, yeah, I don't want to move from them. I just want to stay by them. I don't know why. I just want to sit here, just stay, and just soak it in. Gotta be careful doing this, so I don't want to ruin anything. Oh my God. That's how clean that engine is. Jesus. I need to find the dipstick. Oh, there it is, I found it. Still got oil. Not the best like, but it's still got oil in it. No way, that is cool. That is absolutely awesome. So you're probably thinking I've ruined this, but this is already up anyway. So it appears like someone's actually been here already and lifted this. Look at the old fuel cap. How cool is that? That's awesome. I love this, how this has been left. It's just like, you know, it's weird how it's just been left here like that. And look how lovely this leather is. Absolutely beautiful. It might be that plastic stuff actually, but it looks leatherish. So look at the glove box. I've got some letters and stuff in there. Beautiful. And the mileage is 57,031. It's awesome. It's convertible as well. It is a convertible too. No way. So this is the hardtop, a removable hardtop, and that there is where you had your canvas roof. But clearly the canvas roof has been removed in favour of this hardtop. How the windscreen's been broken over there. Look, can you see the cracks? Unfortunately. I think the side windows are perspex. It's crazy. Yeah, it's perspex. So when I looked at this earlier, I thought, damn, the roof's all rotted because of all the bird poo. But a closer inspection, as the roof removable, you just put that little canvas roof on, back on, and away you go. Or just get yourself a new hardtop. And then you look at the visor. It's the I'm not going to bend it too much because these break quite easily. It's the green sunblock visor. How cool is that? How big the steering wheel is. Indicators. That's cool, that is. I wonder if the door still opens. Oh yeah, it does. That's awesome, that is. These little doors. I wonder where the perspex has gone for this. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's weird. How's that with that on it then? How's that with that perspex thing out? I don't know. I can't think how it fits on here, but absolutely beautiful. It's got the knock-on wheel hubs. They're cool. The old spokes. This here is a class find in itself. Now this is a true barn find. True classic barn find. Oh dude. Wow. See all the parts. There's parts in here that people are literally crying out for. Can you hear the dog? There's a house adjacent to this building. The dogs could smell a fart 10 miles away, so. That's cool. That's what I'm going to get eventually. I'm going to take over Colin. I'm going to have 185k. Colin's like, yeah, in your dreams. Look at all this. This roof is not safe at all. Look at the steering wheel there. Look, old tractor steering wheel. Headlights. Horn. Look at this classic horn here. Look. You got bits of axles. You got bits of drivetrain. You got bloody. That's a carburetor. Carburetor. Sounds like American then. Carburetor. This is like a service pit here. I don't want to fall in it. Old Morris hubcap there. No way. We didn't even, there's the back of it, look. Oh, Jesus. You know, on some videos you don't even need to speak because the viewer can see what we're seeing and just take it in. Oh. There's no bike up there. No way. I know, was it? Mobiland oil can. Their collector's items are there. What stinks in here? Wow. Stinks in it.
Everywhere you look, tools, drums and mobile oil, it's so overwhelming.
What's this called again? Sorry, dude.
Traction engine.
Traction engine.
Yeah.
The first time I've ever found a traction engine.
An abandoned traction engine before.
That is absolutely unreal. Where I live, they have fairs with these.
Yeah, they have a
The
big one down
noise
in
they
Dorset, yeah. It smells lovely.
Yeah.
It's one of my favourite stuff. Look at all these files there.
I didn't even see them.
Just been left there.
On the front of the series, do you know that little badge he's got there, his name tag?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Go to the front of the series, he's actually got a badge made for it, like the AA badge.
Wow, really?
On the front of the series, yeah. He took his business to heart.
Yeah.
The back end of that. That's cool, that is. Look at the chains. Oh. So there are some tags in here, name tags in here that I've got to avoid. So one being on the series, I've got to get rid of that.
Tractor pages on the floor. International. And logo on tractor all right there. That's cool. Yeah. Again, look at the ceiling above us. Oh my god, there's spares. Stu, honestly,
Oh, jeez.
I'd hate to think what weight is above our head right now.
A lot of weight.
Yeah.
You can see the bow right in the middle
Yeah,
there.
I know. I mean, I think that centre one's pretty strong, but
Yeah,
these other ones,
no way.
they don't look very clever. And obviously, everything that's below here is falling from above, so yeah, let's not touch anything.
No.
Oh, look at that, look.
Chain reaction.
The old L plates.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. It's like raised. Wow.
Is that an old game above that?
It's no, it's a wooden shelf.
That was an old game. That's been
No.
cool. All these parts, look, all the bearings,
Parts everywhere.
springs.
Oh, hang on, it goes through to another room over there.
Is that the bit that we saw through the? No, wouldn't be, would
I
it?
don't know. Jesus, this is so dangerous, honestly.
Because vintage fire extinguisher. I found one of these the other day. Completely like rusted through. This is cool. Look this. No way.
Absolutely terrifying right now. I am quite literally risking my life walking through here.
That there is in immaculate condition.
Oh. Staircase.
Have you? Look all the bloody hell! Look all the oil filters brand new.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at all the rooms above us. We just noticed those.
Oh, mate.
God! Oh my god.
You seen a rat?
I just found a dead dog.
You haven't?
There's a dead dog.
No way.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh no. Stu, we need to be so careful in here, mate.
A dead dog, like, literally.
Look.
No way.
Oh my god, there is so much stuff.
I'll show you this sign here. Look at that sign.
I'm going to try.
That sign is awesome.
I think the staircase is pretty.
I'm trying not to rush this because there's a lot to take in, so I'm trying to get as much as I can for you peoples. Have you got a spare torch?
Whoa. There's no
This one's crap. You upstairs?
Yeah, I'm in, mate.
Oh, I just trod on the dog. Sorry, dude.
Did you actually?
I did, yeah, moved.
I think we need to be careful now.
Yeah, we won't go into the same room at the same time. My torch is rubbish.
See what I was on about. Obviously, there is some significant weight, and I mean some significant weight on that floor. If this comes down,
Can I have your
I'd hate to think. Mate, I'm actually quite scared in there because it's so dangerous. Jesus, I don't think we better go in there, have we? I mean, do you think, how much does that weigh, look, do you think?
A lot.
A lot.
Tonnage.
Like a hell of a lot. Yeah, wow. I'm getting a bit vertical. It feels like the place is moving around.
Look at all the parts. Everything's brand new too.
It's just a massive storeroom for tractors, basically.
Well, that's given way that has completely.
Yeah, I know, it really has. I'm going to get out of here because I'm a little bit
nervous.
A little bit.
Look at all the belts. Oh, it's like Christmas for a farmer. Have you seen these boxes that's got the fresh parts and unopened?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, mate. You've got shafts, you've got the lot, you've got props. New radiators. Oh, this is just unreal, this is. Did you clock the vintage bike?
Again?
Did you see the vintage bike?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Oh, mate. God, these steps are a bit dodgy, aren't they? Oh. So I don't know what that is, but that looks like a small dead dog. Could be a fox, could be something, but it's dead anyway. That's one sure fact. Wow. This place is just heaving for the parts. I mean, I don't know what half of these parts are, but I know for a fact that they're all, well, like Colin said, this place has been abandoned for 35 years. I mean, no one's been here. Blows your mind. I don't want to tread on you, doggy, I'm sorry. Ooh, good. Croggy.
It really is terrifying, isn't it? I just want to have a quick look through these. I think
Oh wow. Found more cars. Whole Vauxhall there. Vauxhall, I don't know. Oh, Vauxhall Chevette. An old Chevette. How cool is that? A Chevette E. For economical. Probably not. Wow, how cool is that? These old seats, how mould they are. How cool is these old cars? You can never beat them. Look at that, look there, look. It's what's in Annie, the beads. See, look, proper classic. Yeah. And Colin does that stew, I know it's something good.
Have you seen what else is in it?
No way.
Oh my god.
And we just didn't...
I didn't even see it.
International, big international thing that is, isn't it?
Yeah. There's another one over there as well.
Chevette.
Oh my god. Now, we need to be so careful because
We're
obviously
in,
it's dangerous.
we're in cow shit.
Yeah, it does smell like it, doesn't it?
It does. Years old.
When this dates back to, but when I see things like these old push bikes, you know, it kind of,
Yeah.
it makes you realise like how old this place actually is. I mean, look at this, dude, look, this wheel has completely rotted. There is just nothing left of it.
No way.
And that's happened in situ. Look, the
Yeah.
rim has
It's
actually
given
fallen
way,
off
yeah.
that because the spokes have just quite literally disintegrated. I mean, they must have been hanging there for 50 years maybe.
Yeah, definitely.
The guy who restored this sadly died 35 years ago. But this dates back a hell of a lot earlier.
There's a lot of iron in here.
Yeah.
It's that old international there, look.
Front end of the tractor here,
Look at the leather seat.
Really?
Yeah,
I'll tell you what, that is an interesting machine, isn't it?
it is. I'd love to drive one of these, Jesus. I bet this has got high mileage. We're saying that's a big unit, probably not. Look at all the gauges and the shifters they've got to use to try and drive it. That's a proper man's vehicle, that is.
It is, it really is.
This thing is absolutely solid. After all the years of it being the way it is, it's just solid. Can we see the mileage? I can't really see it. Can you see it, peoples? Let me have a look. I can't really see that too. So 24,995. I think that says anyway. All the gears and all the knobs and everything. Big steering wheel. Still turns too, look. That's cool. Keep clear overhead power wires. Look there, look. Now that's cool. Lucas. Now you know when you're in something classic, when it's got Lucas parts in it. That old fire extinguisher. All corrosions hit it all, look. No way. This is cool. See that, look. Potato sacks as a seat cover. Oh, this old boy had class. He had class. While Cotton is doing that, I've got to get out of the shed because GoPro is not good of a night time. We're in dark areas. Oh God, don't go that way. Old vintage torturing devices again. That's an old girl, that is. I'm starting to like tractors, I am. Can't really say. See, might be an international. This old dude likes his international, so I'm pretty sure that's an international. And I got a Sierra 1.6. The back end has dropped clean out of it. No way. It's completely dead. Poor girl. Look at the whole body. It's come away, look. Oh, she's been here for some time. What's the mileage? 82,000. It's not a lot of mileage, really. Not a lot of mileage. It's got some newspapers in there. We'll have a look at the newspapers. If the door opens, that is. No. Going by the tax disc, it was off the road in 93. So she's been off the road many, many years. Wow. There's a registration anyway. Do a bit of research on it. I'm not sure what it'd be on the database, but it's worth a shot. There's a lot of oil drums around here. A lot of cool oil drums. Yeah. I mean, they're quite rusty, but there are a few that I've seen that are really cool.
They're quite collectible, aren't they?
Yeah,
like
they are. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, yeah.
There's a roof
A
there.
what? Is there?
Yeah. Couldn't tell you what it is.
Oh yeah. That's cool. He wanted a convertible, didn't he?
Ouch. Oh, that really didn't feel nice.
This is the glamorous part of the job.
I've certainly got the right trousers on, but I definitely didn't wear the right shoes.
I'm completely the opposite. Wrong trousers, right shoes. Wallace and Gromit, eh?
Yeah.
Watch that be so easy now.
You know what? I hate transitions. They're nice and Christmas.
Oh no way, there's me climbing through all the rubbish. That's cool, that is.
Yeah, that is really cool actually.
Get my best side.
Oh god. This looks terrifying.
I didn't even see that door. Come on. I decided to walk through all the bushes.
I told you what happened here.
Here we go.
The sound of diving this wire.
Have you seen? Did you see all these boxes here? Look at those.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at those. They're quite cool, aren't they? Camera torch on them.
Bloody hell.
Kiss me.
But you get a premium. Jesus.
Whoa, here we go, look. Okay, we'll
Old kitchen that is, isn't
That's
it?
the old kitchen, isn't it? Yeah. Let's go this from here. Okay, let's go and take a look in here, which I think this is the old kitchen.
Thanks, dude.
Sorry, mate.
That's right now. I was all you out
right.
for me. Cool.
Wow. You know, again, there's that smell, but it's a different smell.
Yeah.
It's the empty property smell. You know, that and the car smell are completely different. I mean, look at that, your mango.
Oh yeah.
How cool is that? It's got a drain tap for draining the water out.
Look at the water legs. Just
Yeah.
slowly giving up.
Cast iron. Everywhere you look, like you say, there's antiques everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah. It's just unreal.
Yeah. Teapot.
This baby, yeah, look, this ladybird book.
Oh yeah.
That's got old. This torch just blows everything out.
If you press it gently, it will actually go a little bit dimmer. So, no, that is actually the dimmer one.
You got some fire cement here, look.
Yeah.
Pyruma fire cement.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so we're leaving the kitchen.
That's nice.
Through into the lounge, I think this is.
Is that for a chopper? Jesus.
You know what, this part of the house isn't actually too bad.
A huge machete there.
Is it?
Yeah. What one to mess with. Look at baby eggs. My granddad had one of those. Exactly the same my granddad did.
Really?
Exactly the same as that. I remember it, sorry. Because I used to hide in the cupboards when I was a kid.
It's nice, isn't it?
It is huge. Had the table to match. This place is just wow.
Look at this, look. Calendar on the wall, 1980. Now, the guy who told me about this place told me that this fire happened in the 80s. And if that's the correct date when this happened, wow, shit. Fuck's sake. Right, I'm going to do that again, but I'm not going to go too high with it.
1,000 bullets.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah. The spent that they are.
Yeah.
Some spent cartridges there. I gotta remember this torch blows everything out, so I'll be careful. Yeah, some spent cartridges.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, look at the old cast iron cooker there.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a calendar on the wall here, look. What's that? 1980. So this is interesting. So the guy who told me about this location told me this fire happened in the 80s. Now this calendar could be the same calendar that was hanging on the wall when this fire happened. And that just gives you some kind of, well, it gives me like an eerie feeling, you know, that...
Mate, as soon as you come in here, you'll feel that feeling.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's sad, look, he's got his hat there, look, and his jacket there.
Oh, 35 years they've been hanging there for.
You get absorbed into the feeling when you come here. It's just like...
You really do. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people that do these kind of videos, like me, I mean, they are into paranormal. I'm not really into the paranormal. I'm not going to say I don't believe in ghosts, but I don't...
No.
I don't know, I'm open-minded, shall we say.
Have you seen the lock on this door? You walked away from it. Look at this. I told you, this geezer's, this old dude, yeah, he fortified this house. He knew what he was doing.
Wow, look at that.
He was building a fortress.
You can tell he was an engineer, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's actually built that. That is impressive. That really is impressive.
That's a proper, you're not coming in.
Definitely, no.
Jesus. Hardly anything left.
I mean, this one with a story that... All this?
Yeah, his pottery collection's immense.
Oh my goodness me.
You can tell he took pride in this because look at the cabinets he's showcasing them in.
Absolute incredible pride into this. Oh my god, this is unbelievable.
It wouldn't put past me that he was actually a bottle digger, because all this looks like he's dug it out, but he didn't collect the bottles, he collected the clay.
Yeah. It's in the front door there. Yeah, that window's probably broken from when the fire brigade came in here.
Most likely.
They've broken that side down and opened the door to come in.
Look how fortified that is too.
I know. Look, it looks like there was a stuffed animal in that little case down there.
Oh yeah. That's a double swinging door, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It's hard to believe that the old boy died in here.
Oh, it's sad, isn't it? It really is sad.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that room in there.
Did you see that for a glance? Watch.
Oh, creepy. Really creepy, yeah.
Yeah, this is the there's a stuffed duck there.
Is there? Ah, this is the front. This is the room I was scared to come in.
There's the floor.
Yeah, there's the floor. So, yeah, we're not going to go over there.
Look at that mirror.
God.
So if any of you are going to give me some crap about me exploring houses, this is a different type of house to explore. Do you know what I mean?
No. That floor is fucking.
It's
excuse my French, but that I nearly went through
spongy.
that. Then. Yeah, I'm not going in there.
So this poker up, this old. It looks like it's something out of Pirates of the Caribbean.
Staircase feels pretty strong.
This staircase is robust, dude.
I'm not going to say too much about the rest of the house, though, mate. Obviously, there's nothing. I don't think we can go any further than this. Every room, like the ceilings are completely down.
That wall is about to go that way.
Yeah, wall's about to go. God.
Is it a double level?
I
Is it
think
another level?
it might go up again.
Wow. Oh Jesus, I didn't even notice.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's got another. Has it? I don't know. I think it's just the attic.
It goes to nothing there. Unless there was a fire escape there, maybe. I don't know. It's quite sad though, seeing your coat and nothing there. I don't. Oh, look at the floor there, God. Oh my God, this is really sketchy, isn't it? Honestly, this is just like. Well, that room doesn't look too bad, does it?
No.
Whoa.
Rat. Oh.
That's falling down, isn't it?
It sounds like a scuffle.
Yeah, I think we should maybe take a few steps back. I don't know. That didn't sound very good, did it?
Oh yeah, got a second set of stairs.
Really?
Yeah. But, and it's a big but, there's no floor. Look at all his book collections, Jesus.
Really?
Yeah. Geographic, the National Geographic magazine.
Wow.
He's got loads of them. I mean, you need to...
So we are taking quite a few risks here. Both are. This house is not safe.
Nope, not at all.
It really isn't safe.
Did you even go there?
Yeah.
I'd like to get into the cellar. That's going to be cool.
Yeah.
But where's the entrance to it?
Oh, could it be maybe round about there, yeah, have we?
No, we haven't, no.
No, not about there. Not dog barking.
Yeah, like you said, that floor's pin. Hold on, there's a beam there. Those beams are solid.
Yeah.
So what do I come through? Yeah, that's where I came through there, Colin. All the floor's gone here.
Oh,
I came through this bit here. It looks pretty solid, to be fair. It's just you need to just.
One bit, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What's that there? Is that a grinding? That's a grinding thing, isn't it?
It's a pretty big grinding disc, yeah.
Like a blade sharpener, whatever they're called. Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, I've seen that. It looks like a Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah. Fire poker on it, they call it. So this is obviously what he used to come out to. This is the courtyard. How cool is this? I mean, look at this. Oh, I can't get over the... I think he made all this himself, to be fair. I'm almost certain he made it all himself. Like he got some sort of mould somewhere and made all this himself. It's bloody awesome. So this looks like the main fire room where the main obviously it got burnt down. So I think I found where he may have perished. So if you see the wood completely burned. So basically going through the whole of the house, there was no really burnt out rooms, but this looks like the area where it was burnt out because all this has given in. So God rest the old dude's soul, to be fair. I'm not going in there. But yeah, this is definitely where the fire was, 100%. No way. Breaks your heart, it really does. Come in.
Freaking me out.
What's the matter?
It looks like I can hear footsteps upstairs.
Can you really?
Literally hear it. I heard someone walking on that area there. Like, boom, boom, boom.
Come on.
Honestly, I kid you not. I don't believe in ghosts, but I heard footsteps up there.
It's so small, we're on camera.